Rebexa Rose. This is a round effect. It's a face-up round effect, and it actually lasts for 2 turns. So what you'll do is during this turn and your next turn, you'll move 1 random neutral card to your loyalist. After your next turn ends, choose 1 additional neutral card and add it to or move to your allies. So you're going to place it here, and then during the first round, you're simply going to take all the neutral area cards, and we're going to mix them up. And I'm going to get 1 of them immediately to my loyalist. Then the opponent is going to play, and we'll say another card comes out here. And so now, here's the thing. The opponent during their turn has the ability to remove that card, so can minimize the impact of that card, and that's the risk with Rebexa Rose. So now, we'll say the opponent played, another end of turn card comes out, and my turn is played, and before the end of turn card, we're going to go ahead and mix them up, and we're going to take another one to loyalist, and that was a terrible draw. So then, I have done it, and finally, final end of turn card will come out, and this time I get to select any card I want and place in allies. Overall, didn't score great this time because of that -3, but Rebexa Rose really can produce some points.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.